This is the Chinese brake pad. I bought it on Jingdong JD. You can see it's very cheap. It's around 600 RMB plus installation fee 100 and 700 something. You can see it's very crazy stuff. It also exposed to the international market. And the comments are good, and all those kind of things are great. To match my BMW F20 and N13 engine, I think it's very great for brake pad to support the Chinese one. So some kind of international standard, those kind of things, which is good. Yeah, here is the brake pad. The brake pad here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One wheel, 2 pieces, so 8 pieces in total. And you can see this is SDCX. This brand is Shandong. That one you can see the box. I bought 8 pieces, 4 tires, 4 wheels. It's very good. Chinese one is for the BMW. In the international market, also SDCX is Chinese parts, matching my imported foreign German BMW. You can see here the white BMW 118. And I also changed brake disc, the Chinese one, for the rear wheel. And I want to change to 4. I wanted to change to all, but the front brake disc, no, only BMW original one, because the Chinese Shenli, that one was out of stock. I needed to wait to the afternoon, wait for 6 hours, so I didn't want to wait. I also changed my brake fluid. So I didn't want to wait. Also, they have the BMW original brake disc for the front disc. So I changed the front 2 discs using BMW and rear 2 discs using the Chinese brand Xingli. That one now changed. You can see they are changing. And that one changed, so new and smooth. It's very great. And I also use the Bosch one. That is a big brand, but it's made in China, Bosch, not made in Germany, so it's much cheaper.